Hey everybody, welcome back to your YouTube channel, Living the Country Life with Tom Collins. Today I'm here at my house. It's actually this evening. I'm going to give y'all a little bit better look at the old 1965 Ford. So let's get to it. Here it is. It's a beauty for its age, for sure. 1965. It hasn't been on the road since around 2004, 2005. It's been about 8 years since I've started it. Maybe 9. Definitely needs to be started. Look where the gas cap is. Gas tank. Where do you think that's located? Let's see. Behind the seat. The gas tank is behind the seat. Literally. Yeah. This video is probably going to bring back some memories for some of y'all people on my YouTube channel here. Some of my subscribers. Probably some cool memories. Share them in the comments. I'd like to hear them about y'all's first vehicle or some of the older vehicles y'all had back in the day. Well, new to y'all back in the day, but older now. You get what I'm saying. Check it out. That's definitely an old school dash. Gauges and stuff. Temperature gauge, fuel gauge, oil and alternator, speedometer, lights, ignition. It's not the stock radio or the stock gauges there. Old 6x9s. Oh crap, look here. I forgot about this. Oh, my old Motor Control. I think that's a 56 or 57 Chevy. 4-wheel drive Motor Control. Pretty dang cool. Been in here for a while. Gas pedal, brake, clutch. If y'all have any information about this old truck or anything, let me know. Because it's 1965 Ford, 3/4 ton, 411 gears in the rear end, 8 lug, twin I-beam, a big block 352. Yep. Got the toolbox here. Some of my tools. Alright, well, I'm going to show y'all around it a little more, look at the engine, and we'll go from there. I'll tell you what it all needs. Alrighty. So it needs tires. All 4. Needs a little bit of brake work. Carburetor cleaned or rebuilt. Needs a tune-up. Consists of oil filter, oil, spark plugs, wires. Needs an air filter. Needs a little bit of tinkering with adjusting the clutch. It needs a new oil pressure line. Needs the brake lights work fixed. I mean, a few things, and probably new brake pads, obviously, and a couple brake lines. I think maybe not. Maybe don't need any brake lines. It might just need brake pads and them gone through. But yeah, it's not a bad old truck for its age. Before I show y'all the distributor, I want to show y'all this, how it works. A little back tailgate. Leave in the comments if you know how to open this tailgate. Yeah, you see this here. How does it work? You think it pulls up like this? Or does it pull over like this? Or does it pull this way? Or does it go down? Leave it in the comments. Alrighty, everybody. I got the distributor here. Did y'all figure out and leave in the comments how this works? So, let me set this down real quick before I drop it. Alright, you ready? Here it goes. Check that out. Here's the distributor. Hopefully it'll fit in its spot. I gotta check that. So this is the paperwork here. Alright, I'm gonna get the hood popped and see how this looks and see if it's gonna fit in the spot, because this one looks a lot bigger around than the other one. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, we're gonna test this out. We're not gonna put it in, but I'm gonna kind of eyeball it. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, that might work, because it don't go all the way to the end up here. It stops right there at that black O-ring. Whew, I thought I bought the wrong one. Oh, and I said it needed a new oil line here. This oil line looked like a little rat chewed on it right there, if you can see. A little darn sucker. So that makes me feel better. I'm happy about that. Just wanted to share a little bit. A lot of y'all been asking, getting the old Ford going. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just gonna start working on this a little bit here and there. Yep, looks good. I gotta get the ladder out of the back of the truck sooner or later. But yeah, what do y'all think about this old tailgate here? And to latch it. There it is. Well, if you like this video, have any advice, anything you would do, please leave it in the comments. I appreciate it. I think the first thing needs to be done is pressure wash it. It needs to be pressure washed and cleaned up a little bit, then start working on it. But please give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Please comment. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. A little bonus footage for y'all. I want to tell one of my subscribers, my fans, thank you for the straps. Thank you for the duct tape. Thank you for the gloves. It really means a lot. On the next video, I will show the stuff you got me. Thank you. Please leave me a comment, and I will reply. It's hard to keep track of everybody and to remember everybody's name. I just wanted to say thank you very much. It will come into good help and good use for me. Thank you. And not just thank you, thank all my subscribers. thank all the people that send me things and just leave me nice comments. Thank you. Oh, can't forget the haters. Thank y'all too. See you on the next one.